Hi, welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays, where you can get the latest information about products, installation tips, or other news. I'm Jeremy McLean, Director of Marketing at Osborne. As many of you probably already know, Osborne Wood Products offers a huge selection of molding. Recently, we chose to feature the molding together on an assortment of molding stacks. Each stack of molding includes a backing board and a selection of moldings. On these molding stacks, you will see that we have featured carved crown molding, crown freeze molding, pierced molding, rope, and ribbon molding. Even if you aren't in the market for stacks of molding, consider Osborne for your molding needs. We have a large selection of moldings to match your project and budget, including embossed moldings. Many moldings will be available in beech, pine, oak, maple, alder, cherry, mahogany, and walnut. And remember, Osborne ships most orders the same day. There is never a minimum order. Thanks for joining me today for Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesday. You can find the moldings that I discussed available on our website, www.osbornewood.com. If you'd like to stay up to date on project releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.